Hey guys, Joshua Remy over here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make an 3D intro. I just got home from Pampanga and then I didn't make a video. I'm sorry. So let's get right into it. How to create a 3D intro with some boom in the intro. Let's go. First up, what did I do with that? There you go. Okay, let's add the text. Wait, let's do this. There, add a new text, and then have a right here, there, and I'm gonna write a name because I don't know what name I be putting. So I'm gonna make my intro too. So later, after this video. So choose a color here or the gradient, I don't know. First, if you want black, choose black. And I want red. Because I'm wearing red right now. There you go. Now let's go to the font. Going to my recent. Going to this. Oh, wait. Not the. I think I want to have the Virgo. If you want it, just go to Pixel Lab and then go here and then add a new text. And there you go. And next up, you need to go to the stroke, enable it. I'm gonna go to gradient and go there. Going to the shadow, enable it. Inner shadow, enable it. And then go to the 3D text. There, you can see. There you go. So I'm gonna 3D rotate it. Not that way. That way. First up, I'm gonna do it straight. Then the 3D shadow. There you go. Then make it transparent. And then save this image. And next. And next, you can do the. Oh wait, that's enough. So let's go. Wait, I'm gonna be right back. I'll be right back. So guys, when you get to Kinemaster, please download this. And I have Kinemaster. I'll be right back. Hi guys, I am back. Sorry for that because my dad is calling me. Now go to empty project and then go to media and then choose something. So I'm gonna go to download and choose this galaxy one and put it to 10. 10. There you go. And then go to the layer, go to the image, go to the background and make it black. There you go, and make it short and make it this one and press this key, then do this plus and then bring it down. When you go that, see, I'm gonna move my deer there, see, there you go, and then go to the layer and go to the pixel. There you go, so you can have your name. You need to do it you need to do it transparent because if you don't do the transparent, the image of this one, the background will be still there, so it's so embarrassing. So put it to transparent, and then what you're gonna do, press that and then go to trim or split. Now go to the split that playhead. There, I pressed it. Need to do it 5 times. There, so it's 5. See? Look at this. Boom. 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 So when you go there, you need to do, no wait, this one. You need to do, go here at the rotate. Right here. The rotate. press that, and then go anywhere there. And then I'm gonna do here next. It's gonna go here. Oh wait, there. Oh wait, it need to be like that. Wait, there you go. And then go to it again and go to the different direction, and then this one will be the big one. And you do this and go that, take this one, there you go. Let us see. Boom, 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 and boom. So there you have it. So let's go to audio. So I don't have any, so I'm gonna do this. So that's it. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more intro making and some videos, vlogging, and some Minecraft tutorials. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!